Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. So today I am coming again with laundry motivation, guys. As you all know, this is the first step that I do always. Firstly, I separate my clothes according to their colors. While I'm separating, I'm also checking things like tissues and coins. I close the zips and I also hook the bra hooks. That's what I was told according to the machine, that I must do that because those things can actually harm your clothes or even your machine. So guys, I do try different detergent, and the reason for that is that I like to make content with that. Also, when you come to my channel, you get to get something out of it. I will tell you whether this is good or not good, but at the moment I'm using my favorite, which is Ariel Pods. I'm happy with how my clothes come out smelling, and they really do wash the clothes also. So I'm really happy with the Ariel at the moment. So all those things that I've mentioned, obviously they will help with keeping your machine for longer, like still working in good condition, because obviously they mention all those things, especially when it comes to zips and the bra hooks. If they come out while they're in the machine, they can actually go in some place where they're not supposed to be. So now I am starting with my son's laundry, guys. You guys know that I like this. This is like my to-go stain remover. You have to though let it sit for 5 minutes. I think I've never explained that before. You let it sit for 5 minutes. There's instructions there. Then you can start to wash it. You don't just put it same time. So now the 5 minutes was already finished. So here I was showing you guys, I took all those things on top of the bed inside this ottoman. It was such a mess. This is where I usually just keep away the things that just to make the place look clean, guys. This is like my throwaway place. Yeah, I sorted out and I took it out some extra laundry, guys. The weather was not so good in this week, as you guys have seen what is happening also in Durban. I think almost everywhere in the country there was rain. We were just having rain and non-stop, but thanks God, this side everything was fine. It's just really sad what is happening in Durban, but I hope God will intervene and everything will get back to normal. So right now I am starting another load, guys. So now I'm putting bicarbonate of soda and salt. If I had vinegar, I was supposed to put vinegar. This was actually on a Monday when I wash. So as you go on with the video, when I'm washing, you will see that I think the following day I did have vinegar. The reason for that, like this, I took the whole week with the laundry. It's because the weather was not good. Yeah, so now I'm just quickly going to explain how I keep my black things black. I own a lot of black things, like even your abayas that we wear, like our Muslim outfit. I can say that I've got black of them. So but how I keep them black always is by using the salt, the bicarbonate of soda. I also put less detergent. As you've seen, I only put only one pot. And when I take them outside, if I am going to put them outside, I don't let them sit for long in the sun, because the sun actually can make your clothes change color.
नहीं नहीं मैंने नहीं सुना था मैंने नहीं सुना
Let me see your samosas. Your samosas. Eating in the dark. Huh?
I mean,
Check.
he's giving me samosa. He said you must eat samosa. I said no, I want a hot dog. He said no, hot dog. He said, no.
Enough. What you checking? You checking your shadow? There's enough.
It's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Why you look so big? Why are you so big? Huh?
No, it's big. It's so small.
You are so So now this was the following day, which was a Tuesday. Yeah, so I took it out the laundry. The weather was beautiful on this day.
लेके आया था जूता तो पहन
Guys, my laundry is outside, and this is me here finishing up my what do you call this, the server. Guys, I took forever to finish, but finally I finished it. You can please try. You can.
तो हम मांगो पहले अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला
So we didn't have electricity. So the previous day I was showing you guys a hint of our iftar. I did make fish cakes and yeah, just the usual. Yeah, guys, I'm just quickly showing you what laundry I had. I had one full basket of laundry and some white things. So now I'm starting to wash the white. These guys are my favorite. So now if you have been watching my videos, you'll know that I've mentioned I love this detergent, specifically Ariel. I'm not against other detergents, just that when it comes to pots, I haven't used all of them. I think I've used only the Ariel and the Surf. Is it Surf? Oh, yeah, I think it's Surf. Yeah, which I was not so pleased with the Surf one, but the Ariel, oh, it smells amazing, and I just love my clothes come out clean and smelling good. Yeah, plus on top of that, I use my fabric softener. Perfect. I love it. Yeah, so just quickly washing the white things. It's always a struggle when I'm washing my white things in my house because as I have mentioned before that we have a problem with our water. I am not sure whether it's the whole town, guys, but I know it's some part of the town. Yeah, so some other days my water is really clean, some other days my water is really dirty, especially to the blanket you saw me putting. If the water was really dirty, oh my god, it comes out so dirty at the end. I only noticed when I'm finished washing that actually water was dirty. So I'm starting here to separate the clothes, and I also had some clothes getting dry outside. So that's how much laundry we had this week. Yeah, so I'm just quickly showing you what I bought at Pep. These are the drawer organizer for my cutlery. I also got this for kitchen tissue, and you can also put your extra things on top, spices and stuff, but I'm not sure what I'm going to put. So guys, so I had to go out. I couldn't fold the previous day. Only folded what I was showing right now, which was my things and some of my husband things. And then the following day, I think, which was a Thursday, then I was able to finish all my things to fold. Oh my god. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps push my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe and always come back to watch the videos for more motivation. Quickly want to give a shout out to these ladies that I'm watching currently, and I'm enjoying their content. It's not everyone that I'm going to mention, but I'm just going to mention a few for today. I will start with Yemi Vlogs. Really enjoy her content. Life in a Shack with Abby, Diana Shell. I think it's Shellstone. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her surname right. Elizabeth Mutsepe, Brenda Space. There's just a lot. Gugu M. There's just a lot, guys. It's just Amren. Oh, and Mary Stellas, Kerizak, Simple TV, Step Up with Maru, Melissa's House, Amira Hussein, Mama and Her Home. The list, Butter and Babies. Guys, I'm just saying them randomly, so that's why they're just coming in my mind as I speak. Not that I'm reading them down. I think it's Febine Awu. I'm not sure about the sister's name. Awo. Febine, but let me just say her name. It's Febine, I think. Yeah, Cynthia Botong, Get Things Done with Pelly, Black and Beauty, Zane's Kitchen. Like the list goes on and on and on, but I can't finish yours guys' name. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting, and I am really enjoying your guys' content. Hume Aisha, blessings, lifestyle. The list goes on, guys. Esther's channel. Yeah, guys. Thank you all guys for such good content, and let's keep on working and never give up. Thank you so much guys. I won't be showing everything. If there was music, it's easy then to show everything that I'm doing, but because there's no music, I'm just showing hints of what I did, and I hope this video was motivational for you to get it done with me. And thank you so much for tuning in to watch and for your support. Really, if it's your first time, we like to do laundry. We always have too much laundry, like we always have too much laundry, and I'm not even ashamed of that. There's nothing I can do. It is what it is, and we clean. Yeah. A cleaning video coming soon. I don't know when I have energy to do that. Yeah, we do product reviews. One of the things that I said earlier on, that I like to try different detergent. That's one of the things. It is a product review. I'm reviewing something for you. We do DIYs. Yeah, we do. I think there's soon a DIY of my table that is coming. I know you guys already know that I've changed it, but I will be explaining in detail. So on this day, I had already bath. I do prefer to bath if I have enough time before Sohor. It just makes things easy for me. Yeah, anyway, my mother always said that when you wake up in the morning and you bath, then the day just goes smoothly. Yeah, so I just bathed, but I went back to my PJs because it was so cold. Guys, I live on my gowns. I live on them. Like, I'm always feeling cold. Even in the house, you'll find me that, like, if I have to go outside, obviously, I'll be wearing my normal clothes. But then I come back inside the house, I just put on a gown on top. So I live on my gown. I don't just use them for as a gown. I use them like like a jacket. I can say only when I come here to make these videos, I can't always come with them. But because this is my daily life, normal life, I can't always try to please the audience on how I must present myself. I'm in my house. Sometimes I need to be comfortable and be who I am, which is on this day I was like, hey, I'm not going to change. It's cold. I'm just going to carry on with my PJs. Then when the sun opened up, I did went and changed. So this is on the Thursday. We are still on the Thursday doing all this work, folding and packing things, everything back. Guys, this is where I'm just going to say bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much again for clicking in, and I will see you on my next upload. Please keep well. Bye-bye.
I got it, Leia. Hey, get in the bed. Oh, a clock. My clock. Now my clock. Alright, honey, yay, yay. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Fuzzy, for you.
Oh my god, finally. Finally they're out. Yay! Okay, I'm doing her things now. Oh my god. Thanks. And then you come and take your socks, no?